Lake. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Rockton to Cherry Valley to 6 miles southwest of Kirkland to 6 miles west of Paw Paw, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belvedere, Loves Park, Cherry Valley, and Kirkland around 10:15 p.m. Podler Grove, Candlewood Lake, Kingston, and Timberlane around 10:20 p.m. Genoa, Shavona, Waterman, and Capron around 10:25 p.m. Malta around 10:30 p.m. DeKalb, Harvard, Baringo, and Colburn around 10:35 p.m. Crystal Lake, Sycamore, Lakewood, Maple Park, and Hebron around 10:40 p.m. Woodstock, Canton Hills, Wonder Lake, Bull Valley, and Lily Lake around 10:45 p.m. McHenry, Hunley, Pingree Grove, Hampshire, Spring Grove, and McCullum Lake around 10:50 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 110. Interstate 90 between mile markers 19 and 56. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is NOAA's weather.